Are you ready for 5 days full of speed?
New record!
Are you ready for a battle of wills and a show of grit and determination? Are you ready for the best high school athletics championships in the world?
Brilliant!
Well, TVJ Sports Network, One Spot Media and Hits 92 FM are ready to bring you wall-to-wall coverage of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships March 28 to April 1. The best that high school athletics has to offer is complemented by unmatched coverage and the best analysis in the land. That's live and exclusive coverage of the 2023 ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, March 28 to April 1 on TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, and radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
The ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championships.
Exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.